Elon Musk, the chief executive officer of SpaceX, has been quite public about his intentions to found a human colony on Mars for quite some time. His lofty objective is to establish a self-sufficient city on the Red Planet, with the end goal of transforming humanity into a multi-planetary species. Even though it may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, Elon Musk and his crew at SpaceX are doing everything they can to make the colonization of Mars a reality. The first thing that needs to be done in order for Musk to carry out his plan is to design a spaceship that is capable of carrying both people and cargo to Mars. The Starship is a new type of spaceship that is currently being developed by SpaceX. It is intended to be completely reusable and has the capacity to transport up to 100 passengers at once. The Starship prototype has already been put through a number of successful test flights by the corporation, and over the next few years, the business intends to continue testing and improving the spacecraft in question. After the Starship has been brought up to full operating status, the goal is to send many missions to Mars, each of which will transport the goods and equipment necessary to found a human colony. It is expected that the initial missions will concentrate on constructing a base camp on the surface of the planet. Subsequent missions will likely concentrate on extending the colony and making it self-sustaining. The hostile environment of Mars presents one of the primary obstacles in the way of human colonization of the planet. Due to the fact that Mars has a very thin atmosphere and no magnetic field, the planet is constantly being blasted by radiation from the sun and experiences wide swings in temperature. Musk has proposed building a network of underground tunnels and shelters as a solution to these issues. If successful, this solution would offer protection from both the radiation and the severe temperatures. The development of a human colony on Mars might not only provide a contingency plan for humanity in the event that a worldwide disaster occurs, but it also might have significant implications for the advancement of science and the economy. Mars is home to a wealth of resources, some of which include fresh water, minerals, and even the possibility of fossil fuels. The human race might be able to obtain access to these riches and perhaps even start a new industry centered on space exploration and colonization if it were to found a colony on the planet in question. Musk and his crew at SpaceX are putting in a lot of effort to make the concept of colonizing Mars a reality, even though it might seem like an impossible dream right now. As a result of recent developments, like as the construction of the Starship spacecraft and the planning of many missions to Mars, the idea of establishing a human colony on the Red Planet no longer appears to be as far-fetched as it did in the past.